Hello and welcome back. I wasn't actually going to record a video today because, as you can see, there hasn't really been much activity. But there has been a nice kind of uptrend, which is kind of nice, even though the channel wasn't wide enough to generate any real spike signals. But there's something that I noticed as soon as we got into tomorrow. I got this trade that opened like right before the close of the day, and then it closed here. But what happened is the spread went to 40. Like, just the spread on this pair, on this broker, is usually like 17, 18, 12, but it rarely goes above like 18 or 19. So my guess is that this is in preparation for the election. They're just widening the spread. They're taking the necessary precautions because there's going to be almost no liquidity, which means there's going to be a lot of volatility. And see, the spread's going up again. It's up 42 now. When people take liquidity out of the market, that means it's much easier to move the price one direction or the other because there's not enough orders to keep the prices stable. And so what the brokers tend to do when stuff like that happens is they will increase the spread to sort of compensate for that. So it wouldn't surprise me if I see the spread go up to 10 pips right around the time of when all the votes are counted and all whatnot. Maybe 10 pips, maybe 15 pips even on euro dollar, which is unheard of. But I just thought it was interesting. I was just about to close this thing up and I noticed that, whoa, the spread just got wider. It was kind of weird. And yeah, see, it's kind of stabilizing now, but it's still above 30. Like I said, this thing I almost never see it above 19. I don't think I've ever, except on right before close on Friday, the spread goes up to like 8 pips or something. It's just crazy. But then you can't trade because the market's closed. So like I said, nothing special. I got 4 new. Oh wait, no, that is wrong because something really significant did happen today. Okay, so let's start from the beginning. We got 4 signals, and I called them right every time. Oh, 5. I can't count. 5 signals. No need to dollar cost average. So I got them right all 5 times, which is really cool. Like I remember I said the other day that I tuned the settings so that it has a higher accuracy rate, but it's less frequently trades, right? And that was the reason why I want to hit it right every time, if possible. And of course, that's not always possible, but I want to get it as much as possible. But something significant happened, and I wanted to show that to you. So my balance is now $400. Which means my lot size just went up to 0.04. Until then, it was at 0.03. So what happens is I have this thing set so that for every $100 in the account, I trade 0.01 lots. So because I just crossed over to $400, my new lot size is 0.04. Right, when I get to 500, it'll be 0.05, and so this is we're talking compounding interest at a massive scale. And oddly enough, on a 1 in 50 leverage account, which you would think having such low leverage, it's funny, it's 1 in 50 is ridiculously high leverage for any other market but Forex. Right? But when you tell somebody, oh yeah, my Forex account is 1 in 50, they're like, what? How do you make money on that? It's so crazy. Right? Stock market is what, 1 in 2? If you're a market maker, you can get maybe 1 in 10, 1 in 20. But a retail Forex guy can get 1 in 500. So I'm going to end there. This is a milestone, right? We crossed over to the next lot size. Uh-oh, baby's calling, so I'm going to have to cut it short here. Anyway, I just wanted you guys to know what's going on. Like I said, we got 5 new trades closed. The spread went up. Oh, it went back down. 17. That's weird. All right, well, that's where I'm going to end. So, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. So this just happened. Just as I stopped recording for the day, The price shot up and triggered a spike, and so it placed a new order. And now I've got a buy trade sitting there waiting. It's actually, look, it's 3.5 pips in profit, so it's not going to be trailing anytime soon. I think it's got to reach like 6 pips or something before it starts trailing stop. Maybe we'll get lucky in the next minute or so. I don't want to add too much time to this video. But, oh, and that was the other thing I wanted to show you. Look at the spike indicator. It's clear, it's showing a clear spike in progress now, right? The next time the Dantian channel updates, unfortunately I got this at a 15-minute chart, so it won't update until, what time is it now? For another 4 minutes, and I don't think I'll be recording in 4 minutes. But when it does update, the price, it'll show the channel growing up to where the price is now, or close to. If I turn the bars on, yeah, you can see, right? That definitely qualifies as a spike compared to all the previous candles. So that spike indicator is awesome. That thing, you know, once you can figure out when it works and when it doesn't, it's just beautiful. All right, I'm not going to take up any more time. We'll have another video tomorrow. Once again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, this is the last time, I promise. But while I was previewing the recording that I just made to add to the recording that I just made, the price continued upward and triggered my trailing stop. And now, as you can see, there's a trailing stop in progress. So yeah, so let's wait for a minute or two and see if maybe this thing will close out in profit, or let's just see how far this thing goes. This is kind of interesting. Oh, and baby calmed down too, so that's kind of nice. Oh yeah, look at that thing go. I don't know what's going on, but as we saw earlier, the spread got really wide. It got to 4 pips, maybe 4.5 pips, and then it went back to normal, and then the price shot up. So I don't know if those things are related, but I tend to believe that they are. And I have no idea what what the reasoning behind this is. But look at this thing go. That's a 2-pip trailing stop. Those things don't usually go this long, right? So that price is moving fast in one direction, and it's not retracing. Look at that. I'm up 12 pips already. So I've got 11 pips. I've got 11 pips locked, basically, because my trailing stop is 2 pips. That is insane. And again, I'm sorry for the long video. I want these to be short, you know, so that they keep your interest, but it seemed like every time I closed this one, something exciting happened. Oh, and now the baby needs me, so I gotta go. And again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.